Alright guys, we're showing you right now the new Rdb location. As you guys already know, we were at our previous location for 10 years and we would get comments every day about bigger location, inside, it looks dirty, how do you guys work there? All kinds of stuff like that. So we realized we needed a bigger spot, indoors, cleaner, more organized, safer, all of that and above. So we found this place. Incredible place. This has been a private luxury car dealership for 30 years. Pretty well-known one in Los Angeles. And the landlord, good friend of ours, decided to retire. So we're taking it. This is what you guys see now. We haven't really done any work yet. We just started to do some work. We started doing some plumbing, electrical work. The major work is yet to come. We just threw up the RDB signs on there yesterday. We have more signs going up. We have to paint the front of the building. There's a tremendous amount of work that's going to happen here in the next month or so. So we're showing you guys this from the build up. We're still on Sunset Boulevard. We're right off the 101 freeway. Whoever knows Los Angeles, crazy location. You exit the freeway and we're right there. So it's about 10 minutes from our old shop on Sunset Boulevard. So not too far from there, but bigger, all indoors, super clean. We got offices now, legit offices. We have an office upstairs that's gonna turn into a VIP lounge, conference room, office, kitchen, bar, cigar lounge, you name it. We're gonna have that. We have a storage unit upstairs in the back. So it's gonna be way cleaner when we're done. We already have some equipment coming in. We have Italian tire machines, all brand new. All the equipment, lifts, everything's gonna be brand new. That's coming in shortly as well. That's why you don't see any lifts yet. That's all coming in. So a lot of work. We're super happy, super excited to take you guys on this journey with us. We've been doing YouTube for a couple of years now. You guys saw us do crazy stuff off of our previous location. That was mind-boggling to see us grow in that location, overgrow it, whatever. I still think this is not big enough for us, but it is what it is. We're gonna do our job. We were thinking about getting a big warehouse before, but we wanted to still be in the heart of Los Angeles, Hollywood, and this is the next best thing available. So yeah, hope you guys like it and much more to come.
My office is done. Yeah, my office. ¿Enfermo? Ya enfermo. Se llevaron mi spray boot. Oh, listo. Wow.
Are you gonna miss it too?
Yeah.
This a rebound, then it's driving. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rocking. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's not knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang. Think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing.
He told me that he wants speaker system in his thing. Yeah. Ow. I'm not used to these doors, they're new, so I don't know if they'll go in and out, but whatever, I got it now after my finger ripped. So Sarkis here wanted wireless mouse, wireless keyboard, so I got him that, I ordered that for him. And he also wanted speakers. He probably wants to watch the YouTube when they drop. So I ordered everything for him. It should be here in 2 days, so he can watch all the YouTube he wants. He can watch himself.
See how hard I'm working, the perfect files.
He's been doing very good lately, honestly. He's getting used to the whole, after 10 years of working here, he's finally used to the system.
Lottery tickets?
Okay, these are...
Oh, that's Manos, not mine.
Oh. No. These are scratchers that I bought long time ago.
Yeah.
And this one is $1, and this one is $2. So $3, I'm giving it to Sarkis so he can buy cigarettes with it. Your cigarettes are like, what, $13?
15.
$15 a pack, and you smoke 2 packs a day?
Yeah.
So $30 a day. 30. So 30 times 30, 900, so that's equivalent to his paycheck. Okay. You like your new office?
Yes or no?
Why don't you like your new office? I gave you everything you wanted. I got you a computer. I ordered everything for you.
Yes, I like it, and no, because everyone can walk in and just without my
permission.
Yeah, permission they can get in.
Yeah, you have the AC vent right there, and of course he has the camera system right there, pointing at his head. You know, just in case if someone tries to do anything to him, we can protect him, you know?
Oh, your first customer.
Oh, you got a customer. Come on. All right, show us your skills. Show us your skills. Show us your skills. Let's go. Let's go check out the skills.
No, I thought this is like an old place. It's because they were selling cars. Remember? The old
Oh,
one?
he thought it was a
GM, I think. Something. No, I had our first customers. This was our first customers.
No, this customer was actually at the other shop, and we sent him here. And it's offset. Yo.
Infinity guy called. You haven't called the Infinity guy. He's pissed.
I spoke with two guys. You want me to put him on the speaker? I spoke with him. You're sleepy.
You want? Yeah. You want to make a bet that they called and they said you're not calling him? You want to make a bet? Yeah. Call him right now. Put him on speaker. Right now.
Let me just call him on the speaker.
Call him. Call both of them one by one. And I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna. And don't say anything.
Okay, hold on.
You don't say nothing.
Okay.
You stay silent. Bro, bye. Go work. Go do something. Bye.
Did you get the glove?
No, not yet. Bye. It's all right. Bye.
Bye.
Jesus. Sarkis is bored. Alright. So these are the last couple of weeks at the old location of RDB. We've been here 10 plus years. Yeah, it's a little sad to get away from this place. We basically started to get to know each other here. A lot of great memories here. Everything started here. As you guys can see, my computer's gone. Sarkis needed the computer, so he took it. We have one computer on that side I'm using for now, temporary until we get out of here. You guys can see the office, it's a mess. We got a lot of stuff out already to the new location. I feel lonely, there's nobody here. Throughout the day, I'm by myself almost. You know, it's good to have Sarkis on my left side, always talking and drive me crazy. So that's fun, but for now it's very quiet, which is weird because we're not used to quietness here. It's always like something happening here, you know? Things being thrown in the air and people getting hit, people getting smacked in the face, all kinds of stuff happening. So, you know, I'm sort of enjoying it too because, you know, my body's healing. A lot of the marks and bruises I have, they are getting better. They're healing, so which is really, really good. Only problem is with the new location is there's no place to run. It's indoor, so once we start running, we can't get out. We're stuck. Who the hell's Jeremiah? All right, you guys. There's a lot of memories of this place. One of them is this guy. This was when we did a show here a long time ago. So all the stuff that are on the wall, we're taking them with us because we're gonna put them in the new location. We can't throw these away. We worked too hard for these. So I don't even know what this is, but I'm taking it. Let's go, Santos. Let's put all these in the bottom so they break. This one, we were here late night. It was like, I think almost like 12 o'clock at night or 11 something.
SLR, the Widebody Huracan. That's a Ghost. It's an R8. Fab Design Panamera. Fab Design SLS. Crazy stuff. This is in 2016. We had the first Widebody Huracan in the United States. All three of these were first in the United States.
Is this your dad's?
I don't know. But yeah, that's a walled S-Class. A lot of crazy stuff in this one picture.
Yeah.
And it's not even set up for a photo shoot. This is all like, we were working.
I remember though.
Get out of here.
I remember that.
Yeah, because it has his name on it.
No, that's fine.
Where's your desk?
You have a PlayStation?
Wow.
Look at the PlayStation here.
Oh, you could just relax here.
Yeah,
Is it comfortable?
it is. Can you manage fun?
Hey, we have a fridge.
Am I fun? Oh yeah, the fridge. We have a lot of options.
So we're gonna have a Corona.
So the alcoholic section will be here for Moses, and the healthy waters would be for me, Vic, and just me and Vic.
Look at the cigars.
Oh yeah.
The cigars. Crazy.
Light one up right now, Sarkis.
Yeah, they don't let us smoke inside. And this is the conference room.
You coughed all over. You coughed all over us.
Why are you doing the tour? You have no idea about anything.
Yeah. Okay. What is this room?
This is the conference room. This is gonna be the conference room.
It's gonna be the conference.
Nothing here.
Of course I did.
This was all months of hard work, figuring out, getting
So who's
material that
working
was
there then?
impossible to get. You didn't do anything of that.
So who was working there? Me. So it means.
No, we were still working here and there while you were doing that.
Yeah, but it was a teamwork. So I just worked there.
Sick, huh?
The conference room is still blank. Needs obviously the conference table. There's gonna be a TV or some of our posters from magazines are gonna go up, stuff like that. You know, it's gonna be a conference room. We've never had a conference room. Our mini conference room turned into our mess of a lunch table that you guys have seen. So now we're gonna have a legit conference room.
And look, this is my car.
You can see your car?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to move it at 4 p.m.
Yeah, because you're gonna get it. You already got. We've been here for probably our first day of being here. He already has 4 tickets. And close the door. Now we're stuck here.
Hey, this one looks like a China massage.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's got a China.
How do you know what they look like? You pervert. Look how sick it is.
Oh, this, when we do a body look at the color.
Oh, look at this. Check this out. Check this out.
Yeah. That's why man. Oh, and they put the blue one.
Yeah, this TV is huge. It flickered?
Yeah, it always flicker.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's gone.
Open it like
How do you know about neon lights, bro?
it's fun.
Hey, typing everything on your thing.
Sarkis learned because if you work hard, you will get somewhere like this one day.
I'll get my bonus out.
$200 bonus will not get you this desk.
Of course, that's $800 a week, a month.
So you have to work for 18 months
Okay,
to get
hold
this
on.
desk.
$800. Hold on. $800 a month. In 3 years, I can save like $30,000.
So imagine how much you would have saved if
I
you
can
didn't
buy a house.
car.
Imagine I can buy a house. Can you imagine that?
Well, for 30,000 where? Tennessee?
Yeah. I'm gonna move to Tennessee.
All right, guys. So we didn't do the craziest grand opening because we were already busy and we're already packed. But we finally got our indoor shop. It's 2 miles away from our old shop, so no more of that outdoor stuff. Completely secure, even though we've never really had a problem. So it's completely locked down in there. We got more lifts. We got more equipment, brand new. We got a lot of new stuff. We have actual real offices now. So you guys saw us on the rise. You guys saw us build up through YouTube. All my same employees are here and we got additional employees. So we're super excited to start our new journey here. And yeah, thank you for all your support and keep watching because it's gonna get better and better.
First time closing the shop. No more gate,
No, there is. There's like 3 gates.
but it's easier to.
Yeah, same thing here. Okay.
Alright. Later, Sarkis. Have a good weekend.
Let me just smoke and I think